So we have runny eggs, scrambled eggs, and fried eggs. You do have to ask for your eggs over hard here because we try to respect the yolk and keep it a little drippy. If someone was walking down the street and asked me what was inside here, honestly, I don't know that I could explain it to them. It is breakfast sandwiches, yes. Like, you come here for breakfast sandwiches, but the way it smells and the way people talk to you and the way you're greeted, you get so much more out of it. I genuinely love the people of Baltimore, and a lot of people bring by random stuff. I got a bunch of paintings that people made for us that we hung up. People bring us plants because we just don't have enough of those.
It's just all about the environment for me. There's always music playing, you know, we know all the regulars relatively well too. Like, we're all just friends hanging out together, making sandwiches.
What's up, Ted?
No,
See you,
no
David.
problem.
See you, Diego. Have a good day. Thank you. I would safely say we have hundreds of regulars, and that sounds crazy, and I don't know what it is, but I'm really good with names. So, like, I will remember your name, I'll remember your kid's name, I'll remember your dog's name. Got your coffee.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mark. We have some people that come in so often that we've given them nicknames. So we have like the Duchess of the Carlisle, which is where we are, the building. She's been here for 22 years. And then my personal favorite nickname is, this is the mayor of Brisketown.
I'm the mayor of Brisketown.
He is one of our regulars, and he's in love with the brisket. He gets it almost every Friday, and we call him the mayor every time he walks in. Hey, Mr. Mayor, how are you?
Everybody is just great. All Jackie and her staff are terrific. The food is great. I have recommended this to friends, and they come back because they just love the place.
I used to be a pastry chef managing multiple properties, and it started to feel pretty impersonal for me. I just wanted to assess like what was gonna be next for me and what I wanted to get out of my career, and it just wasn't fine dining anymore. The format of a sandwich seemed really like perfect for what I was going for, of just this like, you always have time for this. Like, you can drive your car and eat one of our sandwiches. I've done it so many times. So this is kind of where it all came from. Today, the steak and egg is on the menu. The steak and egg reigns supreme. The reason that it's on the menu is because we ran it as a special, and then people beat our door down to put it on the menu. It is brisket that is unbelievably delicious, cooked with mushrooms that have been fortified in beef jus, with pepper jack cheese on a fried egg and drizzled in spicy honey on that warm, buttery brioche bun. The biggest difference between us and any breakfast shop you're gonna go to is they're gonna toast the bread, right? Easy answer, no. We griddle every piece of bread with butter, unless you're vegan. If you're vegan, we'll sub it out for grapeseed oil so that you can be hanging out with us here at Kitsch too. So we take everything that we got here, and we also grab an egg, obviously, the star of the show here at Kitsch. I like the concept of sandwiches. A lot of people enjoy them, and I can build anything that I want on a sandwich. I used to build a lot of cakes that had to be structurally sound, so I try to apply what I've learned in the last 17 years to building the perfect sandwich. I want everyone to get every single bite, to have like a little bit of everything.
I just take pride in, you know, having a little finesse with it and making it look like the perfect sandwich. So to me, there's nothing more satisfying than when you wrap it up and it's like this nice little bundle of joy.
Ooh, stop. It's like I'm a professional. The club has my heart. I had to make the club for my dad. So my dad is a turkey club fanatic. That is like his go-to sandwich. When we were like doing the renovations here, he would make me Google clubs in the area to like go try different clubs. It is ham, turkey, bacon, tomatoes, lettuce, mustard, and our gochujang mayo with cheddar on sourdough, and it's massive. And after like a long shift here, I will destroy that thing. Revolutionizing the takeout industry. I can't take credit for this. One of our Hopkins students engineered this. I know, it's so silly. It's literally just a 4-drink carrier, and then we just cut one of the sides to put the thing in, and whenever people come in to pick it up, usually we also yell, "Party pack!" I really love serving people. Like, I really enjoy serving the guest. That is, for me, the best part of the job. We're gonna treat you really well, we're gonna be really happy, and people just wanna come here and do a great job. Don't wanna brag, but the amount of restaurant owners that come in here from around the area to get lunch and breakfast before their Saturday services, I'm like, wow, this is so nice. Like, really a big compliment. I mean, after a year and a half, it's been amazing.
There's no most. I love everything about here. This place has given me everything I've ever asked for. It's given me financial stability. It's given me a really good life-work balance. I just never have a day where I'm like, oh, I don't want to go to work. I love every second of it.
Hamden, North Baltimore area, we know what's going on up here. This is the most fun area. So if you want to come in and have a good time, come in and have a good time with us.